Today we're going to be focusing on creating our own central ideas for our exhibition using our topics and keywords. The first thing we'll need is our concentric circles of the one that you have chosen. So please make sure you have that with you. I'm going to find the keywords just like we did when we were choosing our topic and finding. As you can see, I've highlighted some keywords to help me. I'm going to start recording them on my whiteboard now. So now that I have my keywords, I'm going to go over what makes a good central idea. I'm going to go over the slideshow that will help us to develop a central idea for our personal exhibition. We're going to go through it together, but feel free to go through it on your own or to ask me questions. So we will need to use our reflective skills and our thinking skills, as well as our communication and collaboration skills. We can use our reflections to write down some keywords from our 5 whys and concentric circles. This you should already have done, but if you would like to add some more keywords at any point, please do so. The central idea for your exhibition should be accessible to any child in the world, and they should be able to understand it. It should make sense anywhere in the world. It should be about a real-world problem or issue, and it should affect our local area and community and/or the whole world. A central idea should be challenging, should be hard enough. So decide which one you think is hard enough. It should be engaging, it should be interesting enough. It should be relevant, linked to the key concepts. It should be significant, important enough for the whole world. So the criteria is that it should be challenging, hard enough for you to investigate over these 7 weeks. It should be engaging, interesting enough for you. It should be relevant so that you can ask key concept questions for you. It should be significant, connected to any place, to anyone. It should be one idea. It should be true. Okay, so I've written down one central idea. I want to see if you think that this is a good central idea for me. Lakes are made out of water. Good or bad? If you said bad, you are correct. This is not challenging enough, and it's something that, yes, it's true, but there's not much more I can investigate. So I'm going to try again. So I've tried it again, and I've gone a little bit of a different way. We are losing wilderness because of deforestation, and people are not going outside enough. Good or bad? If you said kind of good, kind of bad, you were pretty much right. There are 2 ideas here, not just one idea, 2 ideas. To make this better, I would probably write down my central idea twice. So all I have to do, I can create 2 different central ideas and then maybe later on choose which one I want to focus on. So we are losing wilderness because of deforestation. That's one central idea. I'm going to put a full stop. And people are not going outside enough. Might want to work on that one a little bit. It's a bit iffy, but it is one idea. So I could probably try a couple of more ideas. What I would like you to do is write down as many central ideas as you can, and I would like you to share those with me. This is on the instructions for building your central idea. This is one of the documents. So what I would like you to do is make a copy, write your name here, and I would like you, as you're going, just to write many central ideas as you can. So my first one was, oh, I've erased it, but we could write wildlife is being threatened because of deforestation. Okay. I could write people are not connecting with nature as much anymore. Maybe I would like to look at some of my keywords, and I'm thinking habitat loss. So animals are losing their habitats because of human activity. So with all of them, let's see, maybe one more. Wilderness is great. Okay, now for all of them, I'll want to check them against this. I'll want to make sure that they all fit. And now wilderness is great, although it is true, it is great. It's not necessarily something that's going to be challenging or engaging enough. It's also not a relevant enough question, so I'll want to maybe reword that. I'd want to connect it with some of the other ideas I've had. So maybe wilderness. I've got an idea, because it's something that connects with me. Being in wild places helps us to reconnect with nature. Now that's something that I am interested in, but actually I'm interested in all of these. So I'll have to make the very tricky choice of choosing one that I will want to investigate. So write as many as you can. You can have as many as 10, 20, but you really will only need one in the end. So maybe not 20, maybe stick with something like 4 or 5, and then consult with me when we have our conversation. Okay? Well done.